So a little video on the coolant sensor. It's gonna be right there, the one in gold. So right on the head. And this is a Chevy Express van. So the best way to get to it would be if you have a lift, go ahead and lift her up. And it's gonna be located right in between the third and fourth spark plug on the driver's side head. And it's that gold one right there, y'all. So I don't have anyone to hold my phone while I take it off, but I'll be taking it off and I'll be replacing that. So the location for the coolant sensor, got my new one here. Got my new coolant sensor there. This one will be going on afterwards. So you take it off, reinstall it, and just plug it in there. Got the switch. And this is the coolant sensor location for the Chevy Express vans. And this is where you're gonna put your wrench in. It's a 3/4. You're gonna put your wrench in right through there, right up here, and that's where you'll be wrenching from, this area here. You'll be wrenching from this area there, that crack. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, y'all, and I'll make a video once I reinstall it. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so I already got my coolant sensor loose enough where I can stick my hand in, or you're gonna stick your hand in right over the manifold here, and you're gonna be able to go in this way, but you're gonna wrench from this area. You're gonna wrench from this crack, and there's an area here you can stick your hand in. And now that I have it loose, I'm able to loosen it with my hand. Watch out there, don't do what I just did. Some water is gonna come out. Go ahead and get that one on there. Alright, y'all, so yeah, if y'all didn't drain y'all's antifreeze out, make sure you be careful. Some is gonna come out of there. And I already got my new one screwed in there. Started it by hand. Go ahead and start it by hand, and then just wrench your way through the rest of the process. Remember, do not over tighten. Snug, nice and snug. And thanks for watching, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this job up. Alright, y'all, so that's your coolant sensor. It's gonna be located driver's side on the head, and your wrenching point will be right there to your right. You can see that coolant sensor right there. It's the gold one with some of the thread locker on it, the red thread locker. That's your coolant sensor. And this will be your wrenching point, and over here could be your entry point with your hand. And that's how you're gonna do it, y'all. Thanks for watching.